Welcome back to the online social studies class. In the previous video, we started the chapter States in Southern Plateau. Now, in continuation with the chapter, we learn about three states: Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Now, let's begin with Odisha. Now, Odisha lies to the southeast of Chhattisgarh state, and the capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Tourist places: the Jagannath temple in Puri is famous sacred Hindu temple and it is dedicated to Jagannath. It is one of the important Hindu pilgrimage. Puri is also famous for its Rath Yatra. Industry: Odisha has mines of coal and iron ore. The iron and steel industry of Odisha, they play a very important role. Now, big iron and steel companies like SAIL, POSCO, Jindal Steel, etc. have their plants over there. The Rourkela steel plant is one of the best in the country. Occupation: the main occupation of people is agriculture. Craftsmen of Odisha make beautiful articles of filigree work on silver. Now, filigree, it's ornament work of fine wire formed into a delicate tracery. Now, this fine work can be done with silver or gold. Main crops: rice, pulses, oilseeds, jute, sugarcane, coconut, and turmeric are important crops. There are also cash crops like tea, cotton, and rubber. Food: now people mostly eat rice and lentils, dal, that means people of Orissa, they are called Uriyas. So Uriyas are very fond of sweets, and no Uriya meal is considered complete without some dessert at the end of a meal. Now, in the do you know box also you can check, like Rasgulla, one of the most popular sweets of India, was first invented in Orissa. That you have learned when we read about the state Kolkata. Now, kheer, a popular sweet dish, also originated from Puri about 2000 years ago. Maharashtra. Now, Maharashtra is the second most populated state of India, and Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Tourist places: now Gateway of India and Hanging Garden in Mumbai, Ajanta, Ellora, Elephanta Caves, and hill stations like Khandala and Lonavala are famous tourist places of Maharashtra. The state also has some famous religious places like Sai Dham at Shirdi Temple, Haji Ali Dargah at Mumbai, and Mahalakshmi Temple at Kolhapur. About Mumbai, we have learned in the chapter Important Cities. Industries. Now, Mumbai is a major industrial and film center of India that we call Bollywood. Many important industries like textile, automobiles, and electronics are located in the state. Occupation. The main occupation of people is farming. Main crops. The black soil of Maharashtra is good for growing cotton, sugarcane, groundnut, and millets, rice, and pulses. Now, Maharashtra is famous for its Alfonso mangoes. Fruits like oranges, chiku, grapes, and bananas are also grown here, but it's famous for its Alfonso mangoes. Food: now vada pav, pav bhaji, bhelpuri, shrikhand, and puran are the main dishes of Maharashtra. Dress. The traditional dress of women in Maharashtra is a special 9-meter sari tied in a unique way. Now, in India, in every state, we wear sari in a different manner. The traditional dress of men is dhoti and feta and a headdress. Languages. The commonly spoken languages are Marathi and Konkani. Dance. Lavani and Koli are some of the folk dances of the people here. Now, tamasha, a type of dance and you can say drama, is very popular in Maharashtra. Festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Diwali, and Gudi Padwa are the main festival of the state. Although there are other festivals also celebrated, but these are the main festivals. Karnataka. Now, Bengaluru, the capital of Karnataka, is a major center of the IT, that is information technology industry. Mysuru, that was earlier called Mysore, and Mangaluru are also important cities of this state. Tourist places. Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, Jog Falls and Shivanasamudra Falls, Mysore Palace at Mysuru, and Darya Daulat Bagh at Srirangapatnam are important places of tourist interest. Now, occupation. The main occupations of the people here are farming, fishing, animal rearing, horticulture, beekeeping, leather work, and sericulture. The forests are full of teak and sandalwood trees. So, handicrafts made of sandalwood are very famous over here. Crops, cotton, coffee, sugarcane, jowar, and spices are grown here. Dress. Women, they wear mostly colorful silk saris, and the traditional dress of men is lungi and shirt. Language. People speak Kannada language over here in Karnataka. Music and dance. Carnatic classical music is very famous. Now, for your information, Indian classical music has two major traditions. The North Indian classical music tradition is called Hindustani, while the South Indian expression is called Carnatic. The popular dances are Yakshgana and Krishna Parijatha. Food. Bisibele bhat, Puliogar, Ragi, Aki, Sambar dosa are some of the popular dishes of Karnataka. Paisa, Laddu, and huge are some of the sweet dishes of Karnataka. Make sure to revise the portion and read about the state Odisha, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. Thank you.